Adjust.IT for ArcGIS provides an end-to-end workflow in order to shift your network to an accurate location. An accurate network is vital for efficient network management and maintenance. In GIS applications, network is typically positioned relative to land base. The land base data may not always be accurate and is subject to change as more accurate land base information becomes available. So when I compare my network with a more accurate land base, I can see that my network is incorrectly positioned, so I'll use adjust.IT to shift it to the correct location. After defining a work area around the network I want to shift, I'll manually draft several shift vectors from the old to new land base. I can now visualize my shift model, which will show me the areas that may require more attention. Now I need to update my network. In this process, adjust.IT will perform a systematic network trace and creates constraints using network geometries such as angle, bearing, distance, length, and radius to retain the shape of the network, and will use the least squares adjustment to shift the network to the best possible location. After the adjustment process, I can turn off the old land base and view the old and new network against the new land base. And you can see here that the network has been shifted to the correct location. All of the adjust.IT configuration is done through a simple user interface. This will help you control different parameters such as constraint factor, defining source layers, and their target version, old and new land base, and controlling for least squares adjustment. You can define multiple configurations for different locations which will use different parameters. Adjust.IT also creates versions for each job so that adjustments can be tweaked after quality checks.